So again, think about it is these are some of the perks when you're doing it. Balcony is just not an upgrade. It's a memory upgrade. So again, we did talk about the 7 systems are perks. Number 1 is private sunrise and sunset viewing, fresh air and ocean views. Perk number 3, hidden VIP perks on various balcony rooms, on the upgraded rooms. Perk number 4, extra space inside and out for you. Just gives you more of a room. Perk number 7 is front row views. You're able to get out on the balcony, take pictures, get your binoculars, look at wildlife. Wildlife right there.